Next up, this one is cool. We got a little space news for you. Group of scientists came together and they attempted to predict based on evidence and data. They attempted to come up with a number, project. What's the word I want here?
Predict?
No, I don't want that. Anyway, they determined to their best guess estimate. Maybe I wanted estimate. They wanted to estimate.
Right.
Their best guess is that there are 36 communicating intelligent alien civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. 36, exactly.
Okay.
I just love this article because it's so specific. We got Kirk's attention with this one. 36 exactly. Humans have long suspected that we are not alone in the universe, and now scientists have said there may be dozens of alien civilizations lurking not too far from Earth. According to a study in the Astrophysical Journal, this story is on CBS, but then they're reposting the Astrophysical Journal. Scientists at the University of Nottingham estimate that there's a minimum of 36 communicating intelligent alien civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. They say the estimate is actually conservative. It's based on the assumption that intelligent life forms on other planets in a similar way to how it does on Earth, using what they call the astrobiological Copernican limit. So this is a kind of similar to evolution on the planet, on our planet. They're applying a similar idea or investigation into an evolutionary analysis of our galaxy. And this is something people have been trying, scientists have been trying to do for a long time, but they've got some new information and some new data points that have led them to this particular 36 number. In the past, the estimates were far more wide-ranging. I believe this was a funny one. The Drake equation, which was the first, a previous calculation of alien life elsewhere, estimated there would likely be between 0 to a few billion civilizations. So they've gotten closer. Now they say between 4 and 211 capable of communicating with others. They actually believe that they could be at a similar stage to us as well, sending out radio signals and so on. How does this make you feel, Will? I don't know.
It's cool.
Yeah.
It honestly is cool.
Are you buying it or are you skeptical? Is everything a conspiracy? Are you hearing the Illuminati song in your head?
I would like to meet these alien races, so
36.
I'm up for aliens.
36. I don't think they want to visit us right now. We're kind of a mess.
Not right now. No.
Yeah, we're kind of a mess. It's like the equivalent if you're about to have an important guest to your house and the place is just a disaster. We gotta clean some things up first.
Yeah. Just poop on the carpet.
Yeah. The premises is a little off right now. People, yeah. There's
just wait a year.
You think 1 year's good enough?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Things will start.
I don't know.
Back.
People are talking about the second wave of it, and I don't know, man. Who knows? But anyway, maybe they'll invite us over.
Sure.
Maybe they'll invite us over. Elon can build us a rocket, a rocket for each person.
Yeah.
We go visit their house. It's pristine. Then we can mess that one up. Although, what reason do we have to believe that their premises is pristine? Maybe it's
maybe they have problems.
Maybe it's identical.
Maybe even worse.
Maybe it's identical. Yeah. Interesting.
1-to-1.
Interesting. 36 alien civilizations, communicating capable alien civilizations in our galaxy. Will, I know you always wondered about that number, so I'm just glad we narrowed it down. 36.